How you doing, guys? I'm Richard.
I'm Greg.
And today we're going to talk about how much does it cost to renovate the inside of your house. Let's do it, guys. Alright guys, this is a big question. It's the same as the last video, how much, what you need to know about building a new home. This is an open-ended question. We're going to try to cram as much information as we can in a 10-minute video. We will make different videos and more videos if that's what you guys like. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, give us your recommendations in the comments below, and we'll make those videos according to what you guys want and what you need. Okay, Greg, so how much does it cost to renovate the inside of the house? But I think the question is, how long is a piece of string?
That's true. It's really unending.
Okay, yeah. Look guys, it depends on what fixtures and fittings you want. You could spend $25,000 on a kitchen. You can spend $100,000 on a kitchen. You can spend $18,000 on a bathroom. You can spend $50,000 on the bathroom. We're not here to answer that question. What we're here to answer and what we're trying to get to today is an average house with an average income, a normal person, how much will it cost to renovate your house, okay? And this is what we're here to talk about. And we're more making this video for that, $25,000 government grant, which we all know you have to spend $150,000 to renovate the contract price for you to even be eligible for the $25,000. So Greg, what does $150,000 get us?
Well, not much really, but let's say average 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, paint, tiles throughout the house, maybe a roof restoration. And you sort of the ballpark figure there.
Yeah, guys, look, the last project that I did, that I did an entire renovation. We've got a customer review online, so have a look at that. We had a small toilet with just a toilet, no hand basin, no nothing. We had a large bathroom. We moved the wall to make it 2 full-size bathrooms. We did 2 high-end bathrooms, really nice bathrooms. We did laundry, which was built into like a wardrobe, a modern style one, all stone, all polyurethane. We did a brand new kitchen, which was relatively large size, with cabinets all the way from the floor to the top in one side. It looks absolutely fantastic. Again, for you guys who haven't seen it, look it up. So we did that. We did the tiling throughout the living room, dining room, kitchen, hallways, and the back living room throughout the whole house. We did new skirting throughout the whole house. We changed all the doors and the locks on the inside and the front door. The front door was a bit of a mission, but we did that. We did 2 solar skylights, which are artificial skylights that run on solar panels. We did 2 of them inside as well. And we did, I think, 2 or 3 built-in wardrobes. And that price came up to about $110,000 plus GST, roughly. Okay, this was, obviously it changes for the circumstances, but that's roughly. If you want to get to the $150,000 mark in that situation, we would have been able to restore the roof, which the customer had already done. We can do a bit of rendering on the outside of it, pergola, concreting, landscaping. $150,000 is not a lot of money to spend when it comes to renovations. Yes,
it can be up to $350,000, up to $1 million, depending on what you're doing.
Yeah. But like I said, guys, average bathroom is going to be, if you want something nice, your average bathroom is going to be about 20. If you get 2 done at the same time, you're looking to spend about $40,000. Your laundry, you're looking at about, depending if it's in a wardrobe or on its own, anywhere from 7 to say 12, 13,000, depending on how you do it. Your average kitchen, the one that we did on that project, is anywhere from 25 to say $35,000. Tiling your house, you want to allow for, $10,000, $15,000 depending on the side. Doors, it adds up very, very quickly.
If you put a pool in the mix, that'll blow your budget right out.
That's right, but I don't believe the government grant allowed for the pools though, because you have to be, Pools can cost you anywhere from $40,000 to $300,000. An average concrete pool is about $70,000 to $100,000. So yeah. Some of them don't even include landscaping. So yeah. Landscaping can be a very big thing. I know with my property, I've got a little bit of landscaping to do. I've got to fix the fence, but it's got a few problems. I'm up 30, 40 grand if I do it on my own,
Yeah.
So,
cost of materials, labour, content, tip fees, all the things that they just come into the council applications, whatever you got to do to get the renovation done.
Yeah. The good thing, guys, if you really want to take advantage of this, and you live in an older style house, that hasn't been renovated for 30, 40 years, you'll be able to hit that 150,000 pretty quickly. Especially if you've got some sagging, you're gonna jack up the house. If you have structural issues like you guys seen on one of our structural rectification videos that we've done, I mean that's over $30,000 in damage just in that little room there.
I think as you get older and the kids left home and you want to renovate the house, there's a good time then jump in and do what you got to do if you don't want to move.
That's
if
right.
you want to reduce a few bedrooms, make a bigger area, this is when that formula will work for you.
Yeah. And look, $25,000 from the government, I mean, I think they put too many restrictions on it, especially in terms of the property value and the income testing and things like that. But if you fall within that, the strict guidelines, I think it's a fantastic idea. I mean, $25,000 is $25,000.
Yeah, so by a fair bit.
Yeah, of course. It's getting, instead of being $150,000 you're going to spend, you spend $125,000. If you come with a company like us, we're giving customers up to an additional $25,000. So in certain projects, instead of paying $150,000, we're only charging the customer $100,000. But at the same time, how many people can really afford this? What exactly do you want to do to your house, and is it the right time? There are multiple things you need to think about. Also,
you spend $150,000 on renovations on your house. Really, it should translate into a good resale value.
Yep.
So that's something to consider. $150,000, you get maybe $300,000 back.
Yeah.
So it's not like it's all lost money.
That's right. Look, and I believe, Greg, this grant also applies to granny flats. Now, with the granny flats, I mean, you got guys as cheap as $99,000 for a brick veneer with a tiled roof on a concrete slab. But a more realistic price for a granny flat that's going to last you a long time, that's very good quality, is $150,000, $160,000. So you're there if you want to really build a granny flat, and it's a good residual income.
That's excellent. Also, if you want to downsize and don't want to move out of the area, the house can pay you the rest of your rent and everything else you want to do for the rest of your life. So options.
Yeah. Guys, it's all about, look, although we love to make money and we absolutely love, to work with our customers, the advice is pretty clear and simple, guys. Think about how long you want to be there for. Think about if it's going to be forever home, or if it's going to be a sold, or you want to upgrade in the future. Then think about, what kind of kitchen you want, how you use the space. It's always good to live in a house for 5, 6, 7 years before you do that major renovation, because you get to know how you use your house. What areas do you use more than other areas? Are the kids about to get married and leave the house? That all makes a big difference. And guys, like we said, it could be something as simple as, $100,000, $20,000, $30,000, $50,000, all the way up to, a couple of $1 million. Sky's the limit. It all depends on what you want to do. Think about what your area is valued at. Think about if you're going to get the money return, especially when you renovate to sell. Don't spend more money than your house is going to be worth in the next 10 years.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
If you get caught into, like, we might be going into financial crisis now. For those people that have spent $1 million, $2 million, for example, renovating their house, when it comes time to refinance, the value of your property, or what the property owes you, is going to be more than the value of the property. So you got to think about, area, the money you want to spend, how long you want to be there. If it's a forever home, by all means, spend all the money that you want. There's a lot of educated decisions you need to make. This is why you guys should call me, or call Greg, call Yes I Can. We come out there, we look at different options, we ask you the questions, we help you come up with the right decision. If you speak to our customers, I spend most of my time trying not to sell something to customers because I think they're wasting their money.
True.
Although I like to make money and I would love to do all the jobs, but sometimes I just say to a customer, it's not worth the money you're spending on it.
You overcapitalise and then you regret after.
That's right.
However, $150,000 today is not much money compared to what a new building is.
Yeah.
There's not many. What will you buy for $150,000? A decent car?
That's right. Guys, look, again, find a good tradie, get some advice, whether it's, from us or from, a financial advisor, from anyone that knows what they're doing. Ask a couple of real estates. I mean, they don't charge you any money. Get them to come in, give you a value, explain what you want to do, and they'll be able to tell you whether it's worth it or not, okay? Think about what you want to do in the future and all your circumstances, then you come up with a decision. In terms of money, again, back to this question here. By the way, who likes my nice drawing? I don't want to have a blank board behind me, so I did this. So Picasso. Okay. So guys, just on that note, sky's the limit. How long is a piece of string? It could cost you anything. It depends on what you want to do. If you look at the other videos that we've done, you can see how to select a tradie, how much does it cost to renovate a bathroom, why tradies cost so much money. Look at our other video, guys, and you'll be able to give a general idea of why it costs the money that it does cost to work on your house. Guys, I'm Richard. This is Greg. We appreciate you guys listening and watching our videos. If you would like any certain videos, please write it down in the comments below and we'll endeavor to make those videos for you. Please follow us on Facebook and also you can follow us on our website, www.yesican.com.au. Email us, info@yesican.com.au. You can contact us, 1-800-300-YES, 1-800-300-937. And guys, don't forget, at Yes I Can, if we can't do it, no one can. And don't forget, guys, our motto, and the most important motto, is a customer for life. We work with you, we want to build a long-term relationship and to be known as a household brand.
Yes.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you for your time. Until next time, see you there.
Yeah.